Hey, everybody. We are going to continue working in our Outsiders and Outcasts unit. Wanted to direct your attention to Canvas. You will see the student edition of the textbook right here under Resources. It's at the top of the modules page. We've already done the guided practice, the independent work, and the mastery check. Now we're doing the novel study. Okay. There is an overview PowerPoint for you to look at. It talks about both books. One is Stargirl by Jerry Spinelli. The other one is The Gospel According to Larry by Janet Tashian. You're going to pick one of the books. You will have 5 class periods to read the book. We'll be reading approximately 30 pages every day. I've attached links to the audiobooks below for you can listen on your own time. You can also come in during lunch on Wednesdays or during seminar on Thursdays to catch up on reading. I will be handing out a paper packet of these documents. They are also available digitally here. Every day you're going to read your 30 minutes, or you're going to read your 30 pages, and then you're going to fill out a note. Observations you make as you read the text. So you're going to include the page number and the quote from the text, and then explain what caught your attention, what you thought about, what connections you made. So you'll put the novel title here, the author's name, and then what page number you took the quote from, the quote, and then what did you think about after reading that quote. You'll do one every day. You could do a couple every day if you wanted to. It's up to you. But this is going to help with your analysis of the book in preparation for our essay. Okay, so 5 days to read the book. You're going to be filling out a plot diagram. That's pretty simple. And a steel characterization that's a little more intense. You're going to pick 2 characters and analyze the character. Every day, like I said, we're going to read 30 pages. And then we're going to, on the 9th of October, October 7th, 8th and 9th, we're going to be working on our pre-writing and rough drafts. And that will be a very simple graphic organizer or an outline, which you will then turn into a sloppy copy, which is a thesis statement and 3 body paragraphs. And then you'll turn that in for some feedback. And then I will give you the feedback and you will revise it and turn it into your final copy. All right. And the final copy must be digital. It is also your own original work. If there is any AI content or any work that is not cited that should be, you will receive a 0 for plagiarism. If it's an AI essay, you will not get to redo it. If it's simply that you didn't include the works cited page, or you have a works cited page, but you didn't cite it within the paragraph, I will let you rewrite it. If it's an AI produced essay, that's a 0. Because that's somebody else's work, not yours. All right.